Hi, this is John with the Dear Manual Insurance Group, and I want to welcome you to your employee portal. And this short welcome video was designed to help you navigate your portal for the first time and give you tips on where to find useful information. There is another video I encourage you to watch, your benefit enrollment video, that gives you instructions on how to go here to your benefit enrollment wizard and make your online benefit selections. But for this video, we're going to go over your personal data center, HR center, and then report center. So let's start with personal data and our basic info. We're going to skip to demographics. We will get to address and emergency contacts in a second. But demographics is where we can change that password. When you logged in for the first time, you received a rather long generic password. So I encourage you to change that password here to something that's easier for you to remember. You will confirm that same password, and then you will click Update. And the system will be updated so you can use that new password that's easier to remember from here on out. Going back to our basic info, we also have our address. Go ahead and click on the address. Just check it to make sure it's the current address in the system. If not, it's very easy to change. You can just change any one of the fields here and then click Update, and that address will be updated in the system. And then lastly, we have your emergency contacts. It would help us a lot if you entered at least 2 emergency contacts into the system. It's very simple. You just click Add New Emergency Contacts, fill in as much information as you can give us, and then click Save. That way we'll have your emergency contacts on file. Your personal data has also a lot of benefits info. You have your enrollment info. Once you finish your benefits elections through your benefit enrollment wizard, you'll have access to all those elections through your enrollment info for yourself, your dependents, and any of your beneficiaries here. Great place to gather information and see your elections. You're also able to submit a life event. This would be marriage, birth, a newborn, birth of a dependent. This allows you to submit those life events directly to your employer. They can approve it, so you can go in and add those dependents or make changes to your benefits in that instance there. And then you can also view your life events history through. So let's take a look at your HR Center, which is essentially your resource library. A great way to access different links, documents, gain knowledge on a variety of different required notices, legal documents, and also benefits documents. For instance, here we have our 2015 benefits documents. Let's click on the Anthem Blue Cross. Instantly, we have access to the Anthem Blue Cross website here. We can also search for providers through this link, or we have a variety of different documents we can view, here being the Anthem PPO 500 benefit summary. And we simply click on that, open it, and we have access to those documents here. If we move back here, as discussed, we also have different required notice, this being the ACA Notice of Exchange. Again, if we click on that link, we have instant access to the ACA, the Affordable Care Act Notice of Exchange here. Last couple items, we do have a report center with a fairly simple census here. It gives information on yourself and your dependents. And if you see in this box, there has been a message that'll scroll periodically through. If you hover over that message, this is what we call our bulletin board. It's a news bulletin board that the employer can post different messages to employees. If you hover over that and click, in here it's just an example of this says coffee pot. Just a reminder that if you use the last of the coffee to start a fresh batch. Before closing, I do urge those benefit eligible employees to view the benefits enrollment video before going on to your benefits enrollment wizard and making your benefits elections. That's all I have for the welcome video. I hope it's been helpful.